8 Ways to Step Up Your Hotel's Security. As a hotel owner or manager, you are responsible for the safety and security of your guests, employees, and property. Unfortunately, hotels face different security risks, from theft and vandalism to natural disasters and terrorist attacks. Fortunately, there are many things you can do to step up your hotel's security, from practicing emergency drills to installing access control. In this video, we will discuss 8 ways you can improve your hotel's security. Implementing these strategies will help keep your guests safe and protect your property from theft or damage. At its core, security is all about being prepared for the unexpected. And while no planning can eliminate the risk of an incident occurring, proper preparation can help minimize potential damage. It means having a well-designed security plan and training staff in emergency procedures for hoteliers. One of the best ways to ensure your hotel is ready for anything is to conduct emergency drills and scenarios with all staff members. Doing so can help everyone familiarize themselves with the steps to take during an incident. Regular emergency drills will also help identify any weak points in your security system and address them. While no one likes to think about the possibility of an emergency, it is always better to be safe than sorry. Taking the time to conduct emergency drills and scenarios with your hotel staff can help prepare everyone during an incident. In addition, it can help minimize the potential damage and ensure a swift recovery. Hotels must develop a comprehensive security program that considers all potential risks. The first step in developing a hotel security program is to conduct a thorough risk assessment. It will help identify potential security concerns and allow hotels to create tailored solutions. After identifying the risks, hotels can adopt various security measures, such as CCTV cameras, access control systems, and keeping valuables in safe deposit boxes. Clear policies and procedures for staff are also necessary, so they know what to do in the event of a security breach. By taking these steps, hotels can ensure that their property and guests are safe and secure. Hotel fires are a severe problem, and they can have devastating consequences. Fortunately, you can take several steps to reduce the risk of a fire breaking out in your hotel. One of the most important things you can do is provide fire safety training for your staff. Making your employees familiar with fire safety procedures can help prevent a fire from starting in the first place. You should also make sure your hotel has an up-to-date fire safety plan. It can help your staff evacuate guests quickly and safely during an emergency. By taking these steps, you can help keep your guests and staff safe. A hotel's security is essential to the safety of your guests and staff. There are many security measures that can help protect a hotel, including installing security cameras, hiring security guards, and using keycard access systems. However, it is essential to remember that no security system is perfect. To ensure your hotel's security is up to par, inspect and test all your security equipment regularly. It includes checking for any damage or wear and tear, testing the cameras and alarms, and securely locking all doors and windows. By taking the time to inspect and maintain your security equipment, you can help improve the overall security of your hotel. As the hospitality industry increasingly relies on technology, hotels must be vigilant against cyber attacks. Hackers can target hotel systems in several ways, from stealing guest information to planting malicious software. Fortunately, hotels can take measures to improve their cybersecurity. One of the most important is to ensure that all software is up to date. Outdated software often contains known vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Similarly, hotels should regularly change passwords and implement two-factor authentication for sensitive systems. By taking these precautions, hotels can help protect their guests and business from the growing threat of cyber attacks. When it comes to hotel security, one of the best things you can do is install an access control system. Access control systems use devices like card readers and keypads to restrict entry to certain areas. It is ideal for your hotel, as it allows you to control who has access to which parts of the building. As a result, it can help deter theft and vandalism and keep your guests safe. In addition, access control systems can track when and where people are entering and exiting the hotel. This information can be valuable in an emergency or a security breach. By installing an access control system, you can help improve the security of your hotel. Video surveillance is an increasingly popular security measure for businesses and residences alike. And there's a good reason for its popularity. Video surveillance can be incredibly effective in deterring and investigating crime. If you're running a hotel, then you know security is paramount. Guests need to feel safe and well protected while staying with you, and video surveillance can help provide that feeling of safety. Here are just a few ways that setting up video surveillance can improve your hotel's security. Video cameras are a powerful deterrent against crime. Would-be criminals are much less likely to attempt a break-in or other criminal act if they know they're being watched. If a crime occurs despite your best efforts to deter it, video footage from your surveillance cameras can be invaluable in investigating the crime and identifying the perpetrator. If a criminal case goes to court, video footage from your hotel's surveillance cameras can provide valuable evidence to help secure a conviction. As you can see, video surveillance can be a powerful security tool for your hotel. Hotels are unique businesses. They are open to the public and operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. This combination of factors can make them vulnerable to crime. Hiring professional security guards to help protect your hotel and your guests is necessary. The visibility of security guards can deter potential criminals. Security guards can also respond quickly in the event of an emergency. In addition, security guards can monitor CCTV footage and work with hotel staff to implement security protocols. By hiring professional security guards, you can help improve the security of your hotel and create a safe environment for your guests. Hotel security is an essential aspect of running a successful business. Not only do you need to protect your guests and their belongings, but you also need to keep your staff safe. SecurityGuard.com is a professional security service provider that can help you improve your hotel security. We will work with you to develop a customized security plan that fits your hotel's unique needs. We also conduct training for your staff to be ready during an emergency. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you improve your hotel's security.